The Tesla Pi phone, priced at just $789, has finally been unboxed, and what's hidden inside is far beyond what the world expected. This is not just a smartphone. It's a revolution disguised in glass and metal. The moment the box opens, the silence feels heavier than ever, as if this device carries secrets too powerful to reveal all at once. For years, Apple and Samsung ruled the mobile industry, but this time the game has moved beyond Earth itself. The first shock comes with connectivity. Unlike any other device, this phone does not need cell towers or ground networks. Instead, it talks directly to the Starlink satellites orbiting above us. Imagine standing in the middle of the Sahara Desert, in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, or at the frozen poles, and still having blazing fast internet. This single feature alone is enough to terrify the giants of the smartphone industry. But that's just the beginning. Hidden within the phone is a solar-powered backup. A discrete solar panel, integrated into the body, can recharge the phone simply by placing it under sunlight. No electricity, no charger, no power bank, just the sun itself fueling your connection to the world. It feels less like a phone and more like a survival tool built for the future. But then comes the darker twist: Neuralink integration. Elon Musk has prepared the Pi phone for a world where humans won't even touch screens anymore. Instead, you'll send messages, unlock apps, and even browse the web using nothing but your thoughts. It's futuristic, it's thrilling, and at the same time, it's terrifying to imagine a device reading your brainwaves. And here's where things turn otherworldly. The Pi phone is designed not just for Earth, but for Mars. The day humans step foot on the red planet, this very device will be their communication bridge back to Earth. A phone created for two planets, something no company in history has ever attempted. Of course, such a powerful tool demands the highest level of security. Normal phones can be hacked, spied on, and tracked. But the Pi phone encrypts data directly through Starlink satellites, storing it beyond the reach of earthbound hackers. Your secrets no longer live on servers in Silicon Valley, they live among the stars. Then comes the financial twist. Tesla Pi is equipped with a built-in Dogecoin miner. Yes, a phone that not only connects you to space, but also generates cryptocurrency while it rests in your pocket. For the first time, your phone isn't just an expense, it's an investment. But this device isn't limited to money and connection. It also hides a Tesla-trained AI assistant far beyond anything Siri or Google Assistant could dream of. It doesn't just answer your questions, it controls your Tesla car, your smart home, your solar panels, your entire ecosystem. Say the word, and your car drives itself to your location, your home powers down, your doors lock, and your life syncs in perfect harmony. Then comes something so futuristic it looks unreal. The phone's body itself is alive. With adaptive nanomaterials, its back panel can change colors on command. Silver in the morning, deep blue by night, jet black when you want to disappear. A phone that transforms its identity in your hand. And finally, the most dangerous secret of them all, the Tesla Pi phone is not just a phone. It is a master key to the Starlink network itself. With a hidden interface, this device can communicate directly with thousands of satellites circling Earth. One user, one phone, with the ability to manipulate the skies. Governments whisper in fear, asking themselves if this power should even exist. Imagine one person holding the ability to disrupt communication, connect the disconnected, or control the flow of information on a planetary scale. When Elon Musk appears with the Pi in his hand, the world realizes that this is not just a product launch, it's the birth of a new era. At $789, it is not luxury. It is revolution. A revolution that connects every corner of the globe, that prepares humanity for Mars, and that puts cosmic power in the palm of your hand. The unboxing of this phone is not the end of smartphones. It is the end of earthbound technology. The Tesla Pi phone is not just the future, it is the weapon, the bridge, and the beginning of something bigger than we can imagine. This is no longer about apps or cameras. This is about control of the sky. And now, that control is in your pocket.